Hello, good morning. So we're actually here at Vista Mall, Santa Rosa. So yes, free charging tayo. So yan, we're actually almost done. We're at 84%. So shout out to the Green GSM driver na nakausap ko. Sobrang bait niya. And he's actually part-time. And nakakatuwa kasi he's actually also a contractor. So shout out to you, sir. Very nice meeting you. Nakakatuwa rin kasi I saw private na VFE 34. So that's actually the model of the unit of the Green GSM taxi. So may private pala, so being used by corporate ng VinFast. So yun ang company car nila. So yun, so we'll head on over to Laguna later. Well, farther Laguna later. So we'll see you again soon.